Did you hear that banging noise after the startup coming from somewhere? I think it's coming from underneath the car, but I don't know yet what it is. I did order some step-by-step instructions from down under, so let's see what we got here. All right. So it was the exhaust pipe that was banging on some sort of a cross member. Let's see, I should be able to take this off quite easily. Yep, this one is foobarred. So the outside diameter of this pipe is 55.5 millimeters. Now I happen to have one of these slip joints and some exhaust paste, but unfortunately this slip joint is of incorrect size. The inside diameter of this slip joint is only 53 millimeters, and even though that is really close, it just wouldn't go on. Back at the garage, cut some sandpaper and a new slip joint that is a bit larger than the one that I already had. This is the correct 55 millimeters in diameter, although it does say 60.5 on the outside. Confusing. Just spraying some multipurpose oil everywhere on the slip joint so that it won't bind when it's being tightened. Some exhaust paste both on the slip joint and on the exhaust pipe, and then there it is, ready to be tightened. No more dramatic sounds from underneath the car. That was both an easy and a cheap fix. The price for the new slip joint was less than €10. Thank you for watching.